So if you're looking for all of these options, so chaniya cholis, Indo-Western fits જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options છે. They have Lucknowi as well, sarees માં collection છે, jewelry માં પણ સારું એવું collection છે, and they also have some soy wax candles and થોડું gifting કે hampers માટે કંઈ જોઈતું હોય, resin art માં જોઈતું હોય, if you're looking for something with marble dust, then they have options in those as well. We are at Monsoon the Gallery. Exhibition ગઈકાલે ચાલુ થઈ ગયું પણ હજુ 2 દિવસ માટે છે, 20th and the 21st of September, Saturday and Sunday. You can come here and check out the collection. It has been curated by the Truffle Edit. Swipe left to see the collection. This brand is called Monasha. Okay, let's see કેમની પાસે collection મસ્ત છે.
Yeah, we bring different art from different states of our country. And it's going to be a personally customized and created collection. These are bag, linen, Ari from Jammu, the same Ari from Jammu, and then we have Banarsi,
Okay.
Maheshwari, and Brocade.
This brand is Aura by Khushbu and they have some pieces for Karwa Chauth like these, okay. And thoda festive wear pieces mein apan options che. They have 2 and 3 piece suits like these over here. They also have some sari options, okay, like these. All right. So this is Aura by Khushbu again, and they've come here with jewelry options like these. આ બધા જ નવરાત્રી માટેના piece options એમની પાસે છે. You take a look at all this collection when you come over here. Okay, something like this as well. Wedding માં પહેરાય એવું પણ છે, and they have some Diwali collection as well. This is Vintage Hues by Tulja. Okay, ચણિયા ચોલી options છે like these. ખાલી ચણિયા જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. There are more options over here as well. Blouses જોઈતા હોય તો blouses માં પણ એમની પાસે થોડા options છે like these. Spaghetti માં છે, and sleeves જોડે પણ blouses એમની પાસે available છે. This is Dhaga by Sangeeta Shah. Again, ચણિયા ચોલીઝ નું collection છે like these. Okay, embroidered pieces માં options એમની પાસે available છે. If you're looking for some spaghettis તો એમાં પણ options છે. They have some pieces like this over here. Okay, and they also are selling separate blouses and dupattas. This is Navtar by Meghna. Okay, let's see collection ma su cha.
Okay, so one that I'm wearing, it's in mirror work with silk bandhani blouse. This is a festive collection in a tissue silk chaniya choli. Then we have a very pretty yellow green with tassel dupatta. Then we have a hot favorite chocolate brown color.
This is Art Paradise handmade treasures, and they have some beautiful hampers. They have resin art na pieces over here. They have some keychains as well, some card holders. Okay, more hampers like these. All right, and thoda phone cases bhi hai. This is brand Radhika Jewels. એમની પાસે jewelry માં ઘણા જ બધા options છે. These can all be used for Navratri. કોઈ festive wear માં પહેરવું હોય તો એમાં પણ છે. They have some Afghani pieces like these as well. You can come and check it out over here. This brand is called Radhika Jewels. So this brand is Khase by Shruti Kapadia. Okay, they have some beautiful blouses like these. Okay, they also have some chaniya options. આખા sets જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. ચણિયાઝ માં બીજા colors છે એમની પાસે like these, different work as well. jute નું કંઈ જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ collection છે. And they also have some dupattas like these. This is Cleanse by Hiral. Okay, casual wear pieces છે.
Some dresses for festive.
Festive wear na dresses છે. They also have some chaniya cholis like these over here. And these are their casual pieces. Okay, this brand is called Eternity by Sakshi. They have some beautiful sari options like these. They also have lots of blouses to choose from. So blouses like these. Okay, something like this. Sleeves જોડે કઈ જોઈતો હોય તો એમાં options છે. Blouses અને sarees mix and match પણ થઈ શકે છે. So brand Honey, I made this. Okay, એમની પાસે આવી રીતે blouses છે. Okay,
some
dupattas.
Sets.
Akha sets ma options છે. Lots of different chaniya cholis to choose from over here.
We have
They also
festives also.
festive wear pieces ma pan options available છે like these. So this brand is Sumay Ethnic Studio. Okay, they have chaniya choli options like these over here. All right, colors madi jaise, different designs and patterns madi jaise, something with embroidery. Something like this. The ema options છે. Whites ma bhi options bahut બધા છે like these. Okay, and they have options like these as well.
One piece.
Kurtas પણ છે એમની પાસે. This is Arha by Vaishali and let's check out the collection. They have some festive wear pieces, Indo-Western sets જોતા હોય 2 and 3 piece suits જોતા હોય તો એમની પાસે એમાં options છે, lots of different colors like these over here. Okay, different styles as well. So this brand is called H&H Lux Wave. They have some beautiful home decor pieces, some tissue boxes like these. This is made of marble dust. They have some ceramic na pieces as well. Thoda diya stands joita hoy to ema options છે. આ શું છે? So this is Haatse and they have some beautiful jewelry options like these. They also have lots of purses to choose from. થોડા belts જોઈતા હોય like these તો એમાં પણ options available છે. And they also have ચણિયા ચોલીs of course. So they have blouse options like these. Spaghetti માં છે, sleeves માં પણ blouses available છે like these. And they have such ચણિયા ચોલીs as well. This is House of Risha. They have some pieces like these. Blouses માં options છે. Okay, something with pearl work. If you're looking for chaniya cholis, તો એમાં પણ options available છે. And they have more options to choose from over here like these. These are very pretty blouses that they have over here. This brand is called Indie Westo and let's take a look at the collection. Okay, some
sarees.
drape sarees. Indo-Western sets છે એમની પાસે like these. Okay. And they have more options over here as well to choose from. These are 3-piece suits that they have. Okay. This brand is called Dira Designs. Yes. And they have some beautiful blouses like these. Okay. These are... Okay. And they have ચણિયા ચોલી options. અહીંયા આખું rack તમે જોઈ શકો છો. એમના હાથમાં બી options available છે like these. And all these ચણિયા ચોલીs are cotton. They're sustainable. They're very lightweight. This brand is Studio Armario by Rajvi Parikh. They also have some beautiful ચણિયા ચોલી options. સેટમાં પણ મળશે. અલગથી ચણિયા જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે એમની પાસે like these. Okay. And if you're looking for only blouses તો એમાં પણ options છે. They have dupattas as well. અને આ થોડા shirts છે એમની પાસે. These are long kurtas that they have over here. So this brand is called Bindu Creation by Kinjal Panchal. They have chaniya choli starting from the range of 5,000. They have medium and high range na chaniya cholis as well. They have some beautiful pieces like these over here. If you're looking for blouses, dupattas. And this is Karikala by Ruchika Singh. Okay, એમની પાસે chicken curry માં બહુ બધા options available છે. Okay, some 3-piece suits like these. Whites are dyeable એમની પાસે. Okay. Something with Mukesh work like these. Unstitched માં પણ options એમની પાસે available છે. Alright. And they have more options to choose from over here. So this is the Gallery of Fragrance. Okay. And they have some beautiful soy waxy candles.
Yes, these are laddu candles for corporate gifting.
Okay.
ખરીના જોતા ભૂલથી કોઈ. And
These start from rupees 100
this
if
start
I
from
mention.
rupees 100.
Yes.
Diwali gifting છે, corporate છે.
Okay.
કોઈ બી ચાલે. And this is premium gifting collection.
Okay.
તમારે કોઈને બી hamper માં એડ કરવું હોય કે તમારા ટેબલ ઉપર મૂકવું હોય for that.
They have some wax tablets as well like these and more options over here.